everyone, welcome back again to BricsCAD channel with BricsCAD basic tutorial how to use head command. Okay, open your BricsCAD software and first I will create a circle object. Okay, we create circle in here and then I will copy this circle object into this point. To use head command, you can type head and then enter. Next will be open Hedge and Gradient dialog box, and you can choose hedge pattern in here. You can click and then choose your pattern. For example, I will use this pattern, and you can click OK. Next, to apply this pattern into the object, there is two options with pick point and with select boundary. Okay, with pick point, it means we select inside the object like this point. Okay, and enter. For select boundary, you can select the object. Okay, will be hedge surrounding object. Okay, this boundary and this pick point. To remove boundary entities, you can click here and select this circle object. Okay, you also can change scale of this hedge pattern in here, like 1. Okay, or you can change it to 1.5 or another scale. Click OK to click. Another option, you can apply a gradient pattern. You can click this tab and then you can choose your color gradient. You can choose color or with one color. Okay, I will choose this option and then I will use pick point to apply in middle of this object. Okay, and OK again to finish. You also can fast edit by clicking twice this pattern. Edge pattern, you can click here twice, and you can edit with another edge like this edge. OK, and change you can scale into 2, or you can change with 7, and then OK. Okay, enough today for BricsCAD basic tutorial how to use head command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another BricsCAD basic tutorial.